In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Merchant Center to Google Ads. To get started, open Google Ads and make sure you're already signed in to the correct account. This is important because account linking settings are only available once you're inside your Google Ads workspace. After signing in, give the platform a moment and wait for the overview page to fully load so everything appears correctly before you continue. Once the page is ready, look over to the left navigation menu and click the Tools icon. From the available options, select Data Manager. This is the section where you can manage connected data sources and integrations for your Google Ads account. After clicking it, wait for the Data Manager page to open completely. When you're on that page, locate the Google Merchant Center connection option. Click on Google Merchant Center to begin the linking process. At this point, you'll be taken to the Merchant Center connection page where you can review the information shown on screen. If a Connect or Link Account button appears, go ahead and click it to move forward. Next, you should see a list of available Merchant Center accounts. Carefully select the Merchant Center account you want to connect to Google Ads. Before going any further, take a second to verify that you've chosen the correct account. It's a good idea to review the account details displayed on the screen so you can confirm everything matches what you expect. Once you're sure it's the right one, confirm your Merchant Center account selection. After that, check the connection settings before proceeding. This helps you understand how the two accounts will work together once linked. You may also be shown certain permissions required for the connection. Read through those permissions carefully so you know exactly what access is being granted between Google Merchant Center and Google Ads. When everything looks right, click Continue. You'll then be taken to a linking summary page. This is your final chance to review the setup before completing the process, so make sure the summary reflects the account and settings you intended to use. If everything looks correct, click Submit to complete the connection. Now just wait a moment while Google Ads processes the account link. Once the process finishes, return to Data Manager and verify that the Merchant Center account appears as connected. Finally, confirm that the connection status shows as active. That's how to successfully link Google Merchant Center to Google Ads. Thanks for watching.